Hi, this is Eric from the Fluffies channel, and we've been in Budapest, Hungary for the past 3 weeks, and we're checking out of our Airbnb. And we love coming here because we've been here 3 times, and we've stayed at various apartments in this building. So we are going to show you our Airbnb where we've been staying for the past 3 weeks. So come on. So this is a nice hallway into the apartment. We have a washroom here with a shower and a laundry machine. We're actually going to be showing you not one apartment but 2 apartments by the same host. Our friends came from Italy and stayed right below us, and it's interesting that although they're right on top of each other, the layout is completely different, as you'll see soon. And the host just got this apartment, so we are actually the first people staying here. And so the laundry machine came a few days after we arrived. So in the washroom there's the shower.
It's laundry and dryer.
Yes, the laundry and dryer in one machine.
Yes.
Which can get interesting because it takes a long time to...
But it was very handy for
Yes.
the time we were here.
Since we were here for 3 weeks, it was very handy. And then the bathroom, it's a separate one. Interesting thing, downstairs, it's combined into one room. Here we have 2 separate ones. So here is where we spent most of our time. So as it is very common in Hungary to have these kitchens and living area in the same room. So you have a fridge, freezer, dishwasher, and everything here is in IKEA. So you just push and it opens.
We have all the utensils and
Plates and everything.
there's a dishwasher,
Yes, which is very helpful.
microwave.
Microwave, toaster, coffee maker.
That's important too. Have TV.
We have TV, and we brought our Chromecast so we could watch our own shows. And then over here is our, I guess you could say, a mini living room.
And he does in a way more guests can stay here, so people can sleep here, they can sleep there, they can all sleep there.
Yeah, so it's very handy. And then the bed is very comfortable.
Also, it's very handy.
It was very handy. We asked him if, apart from having an air conditioner, does he have a fan? Because at nighttime the air conditioner can get a little too strong, so we had this portable fan. And that's basically our tour. Here we are at our Airbnb. Well, not exactly. So we came to our Airbnb, this is our 3rd year in a row. And basically what we did, we have the apartment right upstairs. And our friends from Italy came for the weekend and they rented this apartment. So we wanted to see the difference between apartments, which is really interesting. So come on. So here's the entrance. There's a little area to put clothes, like your coats. There are plenty of spaces to put, actually, not. Like I said, our apartment is right upstairs, but the layout is completely different, which you'll see in a little bit. Now, here's the washroom. The one thing that we like is the bidet. We don't have one. And then over here they have a rainfall shower.
And your shower.
Yeah. Now, the interesting thing is, between our apartment and their apartment, we have, this is just the shower area, and then there's a toilet here.
A door.
A door to the bathroom, the toilet. But here they made it into one and they moved the shower. So over here is a nice spacious bedroom. And lots of cupboard space. So lots of cupboard space. And one thing that I like about the apartments that we usually stay in, except ours doesn't have one this time, is there's a safe.
Yeah, because ours just got
Ours
renovated.
was just renovated and we're the first people to occupy it.
There are many things to add.
Yes.
To be added.
Now here there's a little hallway.
Which is interesting because our apartment is the same size like upstairs.
But it's a totally different layout.
This is how they use. They have a fireplace.
Which is interesting in the winter, but not very practical in the summer. And here's the kitchen. Notice how quiet the laundry machine is. And the
Dishwasher, microwave, oven, stove, a plate of.
And there's plenty of
utensils.
plates and the fridge.
And freezer down there.
Yeah, freezer. Lots of cabinet space.
Plates.
Actually, that's not the freezer.
Oh, surprises. So there's no freezer.
Which is unfortunate.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Sometimes you don't need everything. They have Wi-Fi, TV.
And it's a really beautiful space. So, in Hungary, this is a very typical courtyard that we see. And on the second, we are just one floor above, but last year we were on the same floor but on the other side. So each apartment has a different setup, different layout. And what we love is this is the key box, and we can easily get the key when we arrive, no matter how late it is, so that's wonderful.